Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Azure using Tableau. First of all, we will need to create an ODBC connection, and you can do that following a different video we've got called Accessing Azure via Microsoft Access and ODBC. So once you've created your ODBC connection, open Tableau. In this list connection options, click on other databases ODBC. Then select the ODBC connection that you created earlier. Then click Connect. Then put in your Azure password. I don't know why it doesn't just use the one that's already in the ODBC connection, but there you go. Click OK. Then in the server part, enter the server. Again, this is already recorded in the ODBC, but there you go. And the port 1433. Sign in. And that's it, really. Then you can just select from one of your schemas and go from there. Thanks very much.